That's the key. Beautiful. And if you want to switch it on, just press the button.
Oh, this one talking about, man.
What do you think?
Wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Right guys, so that was the complete installation of our latest 3rd generation Starlight package. The results stand out way better than we expected, and it absolutely completes this car. If you guys got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Alternatively, if you guys require a quote, please head over to our website at www.canperformance.com/starlights. Fill out the quick form and one of the team members will get back to you. That's it for this video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.